the area of triangle by using determinants. Okay. The area of triangle in the former classes we know that half x1, the coordinates x1, y1, it means x1 by 2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 and plus x3 y3 minus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula of area of triangle. Now this can be written in the form of determinant. We can write 1 by 2 x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 and 1, 1, 1. This area can be written in the form of a determinants. If the coordinates of a triangle is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So now we can find the area by using this determinant. Okay, the exercise 4.3. Find the area of triangle with vertices at the points given in each of the following. 1, 2 and 3. The three coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So we can write in the form of determinants 1 by 2 x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 and 1, 1, 1. Now you can solve the formula of determinant. First 1, 0, 1, 3, 1. Okay. The second 0, all remain the 0. 6, 4, 1, 1. And the minus and then plus 1, 6, 0, 4, 3. This is the determinant value. It means 1 by 2, 0 minus 3. 0 and 1 into 6 into 3, 18. It means 18 minus 3, 15. The area is 15 by 2 square unit or the 15 by 2. Now find the area when the coordinates are 2, 7, 1, 1, 10, 8. Now form a determinant. x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 and third constant 1, 1, 1. Now solve 1 by 2. Okay. Now here is 1 by 2. The 2 and the determinants 1, 8, 1, 1. Now minus 7, 1, 10, 1, 1. And the last 1, 1, 1, 10, 8. Now you can solve 2 into 1 minus 8, 1 minus 8, minus 7, 1 minus 10, 1, 8 minus 10. This is the value. It means 1 by 2, 2 into minus 7, minus 14, minus 9, 7, 63 and minus 2. 63 minus 16, it will be 47. 16, 63 minus 16, 47. It means the area equal to 47 by 2. Okay. And the third one, these are the coordinates minus 2, minus 3, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 8. Area minus 2, 3, minus 1. First we have to write the x, then y and 1, 1, 1. Now solve 1 by 2. Minus 2, 2, 1, minus 8, 1. This discriminant. And minus 3, 3 minus 1, 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 1, 1. And the third is 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2 minus 8. Now solve. 1 by 2 minus 2. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. Cross multiply and minus plus. Plus 3. 3 plus 1. And 1 minus 24 plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10 minus 2, 20. 4 plus 4 into 3, 12 and minus 22. Okay. The absolute value minus 42 plus 12 minus 30. It means 30 by 2, area is always in positive number. 15. The question number 2 is, show the points A, B, C are collinear. The coordinates are A, B plus C, B, C plus A and C, A plus B are collinear. It means the determinant equal to 0. For the points are collinear, it means the area equal to 0. The value of determinant equal to 0. Now find half A, B, C. B plus C, C plus A plus B and 1, 1, 1. Okay. So we can find by using simple method, adding C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2 in C1. 1 by 2. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C. Now B plus C, C plus A and A plus B. These are the determinants 1. Now take A plus B plus C common. A plus B plus C. 1, 1, 1. B plus C, C plus A plus B. The value of this determinant equal to 0. Value of this determinant equal to 0. Why? If the two columns are same, the column 1 equal to column 3. Therefore, 0. Hence the point A, B, C are collinear. Okay. If two rows or the two columns are same, therefore the value of determinant equal to 0. Question number 3. Find values of K if the area of triangle is 4 square units and the vertices are these and okay. In this question, given that area equal to 4 square units. Okay. The formula of area equal to 1 by 2. The discriminant K 4 0 0 0 2 and 1 1 1 equal to 4. So now you can solve only the first K 0 1 2 1 and minus 0, no need of any require, it will remain 0, and the third one 4 0 0 2 equal to 4 square unit. Now solve 1 by 2 K into 0 minus 2. It is 0 and 4 into 2 8. Half minus 2K plus 8 equal to 4. It is minus 2K plus 8 equal to 8. It means K equal to 0. K equal to 0. Now the value of K equal to 0. The first coordinate is 0 0. The second is minus 20040k. The area equal to 4 square unit. It means 1 by 2. The formula minus 20004k and 111 equal to 4. Minus 2 into 4 minus k. And this is the 0. No need of 0. 1 plus 1. 0 into 0 equal to 4. Minus 8 plus 2k equal to 8. 2k equal to 16 and k equal to 8. K equal to 8. The points are 0, 8. 0k means 0, 8. Question number 4. Find equation of the line joining 1, 2, 3, 6 using determinants. Find the equation of line joining the points 1, 2 and 3, 6. Question number 4. 1. The points are 1, 2 and 3, 6. Let the point x, y lie on this line. Now the area of triangle equal to 0. The formula of area of triangle, discriminant 1, 3x, 2, 6y, x coordinate, y coordinate, and this one 1 equal to 0. Now half equal to 0, we can just take 1, the discriminant 6, 1, y, 1, minus 2, 3x, 1, 1, and third one 1, 3x, 6y equal to 0. Now solve 6 minus y minus 2, 3 minus x, and 3y minus 6x equal to 0. Now compile 6 minus y minus 6 plus 2x plus 3y minus 6x equal to 0. 6 cancel. 3y minus y, 2y, and 2m minus 4x. It means 4x equal to 2y. 2x equal to y. This is the equation of line x, y equal to 2x. And the same second 3, 1, 9, 3. And the third point lie on the line is xy. Now if the points are collinear, therefore area of triangle equal to 0. Then make a determinant 3, 9x, 1, 3y, 1, 1, 1 equal to 0. Half equal to 0, no. 3, 1, y, 1. Minus 1, 9x, 1, 1, and plus 1, 9, 3, x, y equal to 0. Just solve the determinants. 3 minus y minus 9 minus x, cross multiply, 9y minus 3x equal to 0. Now open the bracket. 9 minus 3y minus 9 plus x plus 9y minus 3x equal to 0. 9 cancel. X minus 3x means minus 2x, and 9y minus 3y is 6y equal to 0. It means 6y equal to 2x, 3y minus x or equal to 0. Take 2 common. 3y equal to x, 3y minus x equal to 0. This is the equation of line. And the last question is, if the area of triangle is 35 square units with vertices 2, minus 6, 5, 4 and k4, then k equal to, okay, area equal to, triangle is given that 35 square units. And the vertices of the triangle are 2, minus 6, 5, 4, k4. Now just put in the matrix form. 2 5k x coordinate, y coordinate and the constant, okay, equal to 35. Now solve 1 by 2. 2 4 1 4 1 0 minus minus 6 5k 1 1 and the third one is 1 5 4k 4 equal to 35. Now solve 1 by 2. This equal to the 0. 4 minus 4 0 plus 6 5 minus k and this 20 minus 4k cross multiply equal to 35. 6 into 5 30 minus 6k plus 20 minus 4k equal to 70. Okay. 50 minus 10k equal to 70. Minus 10k equal to 20 and k equal to minus 2. Okay. K equal to minus 2. This is in the positive form. If we take plus minus form equal to minus 35, it will be 1 by 2 50 minus 10k equal to minus 35. The area could be a positive and negative both because these values are in absolute form. It means 25 minus 5k equal to minus 35. Minus 5k equal to minus 35 minus 25. K equal to minus 60 by minus 5. 12. The two values of 12k is 12 and minus 2. Therefore, D option is right. 12 minus